Alright, here we are for 2C. In March, all tickets were sold by the end of the Thursday. Each day, the number of tickets sold was 40 fewer than the previous day. How many tickets were sold on the Thursday? Okay, so I'm sure there's any other number of ways that you guys could go about doing this. I'm going to have done this a particular way. I am curious, though, if you did it a different way and you were able to get it right, I'd love for you to tell me so that I could add that to this video. So here's what I did. We know we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And that's going to be the last day tickets were sold because the rest of the tickets were sold on the Thursday. So here's what we know. Let's say we sold X number of tickets on a Sunday. We don't know how many were sold on the Sunday, but we just know X number of tickets were sold on the Sunday. But what else do we know? We know that each following day, 40 fewer tickets were sold than the previous day. So what that tells us is Monday, the number of tickets sold on Monday were X minus 40. On Tuesday, it was 40 less than that. Minus 40 minus 40. X minus 40 minus 40 minus 40. And then the last day, of course, X minus 40 minus 40 minus 40 minus 40. Now what that simplifies to, X minus 40, X minus 80, X minus 120, X minus 160. Now we know that altogether all of these values are supposed to add up to a particular number, that number being 500. So what we can do is we could take that X plus X minus 40 plus X minus 80 plus X minus 120 plus X minus 160, and all of that together equals 500. Now when we simplify, we combine all of these like terms, we get 5x minus 400 equals 500. And when we solve, 5x equals 900, x equals 180. And then from here, we could plug in to figure out what Thursday's supposed to be. We know Thursday is going to be x minus 160. So therefore, Thursday will be 180 minus 160, which is 20 tickets. Again, if you did this in another way, I'd love to know. Please let me know. But otherwise, this is the general process.